This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, September the 18th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. See some cloudiness over the central and southern plain states with showers and some isolated thunderstorms, some of which were severe. Some cloudiness on both the east and west coasts of the country. On the west coast with the storm moving in, and on the east coast with the storm exiting. Watch warning map from just before midnight. Absolutely nothing listed here. Not listed here, there are some frost and freeze advisories over the northern parts of New England. That is of no concern in this neck of the woods. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows the heaviest amounts of rain to our south and east. Areas in the state of Iowa could see anywhere from a quarter to maybe 3/4 of an inch with isolated heavier totals. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. See a bit of a trough just to our west with the storm system moving in our direction. And at the surface, you can see there's the chance of rain. Pretty widespread. This could be, it won't be an all-day rain, but the chances are there that there will be rain at times during the day across the state. Monday, that moves off. Skies will begin to clear from west to east. Highs in the upper 60s east to maybe mid to maybe upper 70s west. Tuesday, here comes another system. This could bring some chances of maybe showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm with highs likely in the lower to maybe upper 70s. Wednesday, that storm kind of moves off. We get some residual cloudiness from it. This will keep temperatures down at least into the 60s across the state. Thursday, that system moves off, but now we have an upper level feature, which is that 552 thing over northern Missouri. And as you'll see over the next few days, it just doesn't want to leave. Friday, it's over Illinois. Maybe some drizzle and mist in that area. Saturday, it moves back slightly to the west. And while this is all going on, the state of Iowa will be socked in with some clouds, maybe partial sunshine out west. A week from today, the 25th, and there's the upper level feature. It's still there. And what does that mean for us? That means we'll be stuck in the clouds with maybe an isolated shower and highs in the 60s. So the middle to latter half of next week looks rather cloudy and miserable with 60s. We head further into voodoo, September the 29th. Ridge develops over the western half of the country. The main storm track moves up into Canada again, so with weak steering currents, we have high pressure and bone dry weather, and likely seasonal temperatures at the time. That won't help drought. And at the end of the forecast on October the 3rd, a ridge over the west, a trough over the Pacific, a big trough over the Great Lakes states. And what does that mean? This means there's a big cold front coming, and here comes a big, huge high pressure, and there comes the 540 line, so there could be a cold snap, according to this model run, toward the first weekend of October. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.